Hey guys, so my husband went to Home Depot and he got a few, I think they were like December deals or Black Friday deals, where you know how everyone's been doing the extended weeks of Black Friday or Black Friday deals for days or stuff like that. So I think it qualified under something of that sort. He got a bunch of other stuff. He already did a video on some of the things that he got, but I think this item he got himself as well. But let's go see what it is, and I will tell you what I can about it and what it's for. Alright, still technical difficulties with the nails. I know, it's a pain. Alright, so he got me these Dewalt jab saws. These guys right here. So these are 3-sided teeth. They allow up to 50% cutting, 50% faster cutting than a traditional tooth jab saw. These are ideally for drywall, but I can also use them for garden stuff and whatnot. Basically, they're just like they're like a little hacksaw almost. I think it's a hacksaw. Anyways, the little handheld saws. So I thought that would be nice for some of the things that I do outside. So the packaging he got, because these are the only two, it was damaged, but that's okay. Made it easier anyways. He did tape it for me so that way they didn't just like fall out. So let's see if there's any. So they have the 3 sides, like I was saying. They have a sharp tip. They are good for drywall and paneling and stuff like that. It's a 2-pack. I'm not sure what the 8 TPI is for, but all of you tool people out there, you can go ahead and jot it down in the bottom with the comments. And the part number for this is going to be, and I'm just going to do this in kind of a phonetic alphabet, so if you guys don't know what it is, just type in phonetic alphabet to understand. I'm sorry, but this is the only way that makes it easy for me to articulate it to you. I'll try doing it how it says and the phonetic alphabet way, but bear with me. So it's going to be Delta Whiskey Hilo we're just gonna say hotel, it's Delta Whiskey Hotel Texas, because I can't remember what T is. 97539. So that is again Delta Whiskey Hotel Texas 97539. And for those who don't understand any kind of phonetic alphabet, I do apologize. So it's going to be DWHT97539. So hopefully that came across. I say some words funny, I say some letters funny, so that's why I was trying to do it both ways there. Now that we've made it awkward, that is the end of that. I think these are pretty nice. They are lightweight as far as anything goes. The handles are pretty decent as grip wise, even though I have a small hand. This little hole right here, there was a little plastic rivet keeping it on the package. I don't think it has any real sole purpose other than that, but they are pretty nice. They are sharp, and the top is dull, of course, which is really nice. So they do have a weird little film on them though. So I will let you guys know what I think about these. I do believe they're identical. I don't think there's any particular difference between the two of them. So yeah, that's my little take on this. I don't want it to be a super long video. I don't have a lot of information on them, but again, you guys can go see my husband's video. I think he has more information than I do, specifically about these kinds of tools. I'm still learning, so go ahead and visit his Antonio Claudio Michael, and you just type that into the YouTube search bar and it'll just pop right up and everything like that. So yeah, just give it a look. He might have it scheduled later. He does do a lot of videos and everything, so just keep an eye out for it, or just on any of his videos ask him and he will respond the best he can. So hopefully that helps, and hopefully you guys found this video a little bit interesting and everything, or at least gave a giggle out of me trying to give you guys a serial or a model code. So alright, it's late, I need to go to bed, so night guys, I will see you on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe.